Hi everyone. I just sold my 70D and I don't have a vlogging camera right now. You want to see what my vlogging camera as of the moment? That is my vlogging camera for now. It's an RX 100 Mark V. So yeah, I need a new camera. So since I tried the Sonys and they don't have a trusted flip screen, I tried the RX 100. The problem with the RX 100 is that once I turn it on, the lens is going to come out. And when the lens is going to come out, it's so annoying. It uses a lot of power. And whenever I want to use it again, you have to wait for the lens to come out. So it takes a lot of time, and I hate that. I hate that. I'm used to the DSLRs where you turn it on and then you get to use it right away. Right away. Wait, what? My lighting's not on. That's better. Okay, so I want to use it right away. So whenever I'm in a situation, I want to use it as a camera, and then I want to use it as a vlogging camera, like that. The problem with that is, once I turn it on, the lens is going to come out, and I'm going to start shooting. And if I'm going to change my zoom or change anything, I have to use that little thing, and it takes some time, uses a lot of batteries, and I can't put it in a pocket, or I can't just hang it there. If I'm going to hang it there, the lens is going to come out, and if it's going to hit something, it's going to be destroyed. It's just used for travel, quick travel, minimal camera. I don't know. If you want to just bring a small camera, you can use the RX 100, but I'm having a hard time vlogging with it. Though I like the slow motion, and I like also the 120p where you can do some buttery movements around. I like the rapid shooting, but yeah, just isn't for me. And I tried to use this, camera, which is my 5D Mark III. It doesn't have autofocus, so I have to guess my focus, and I can't see myself. Like, it's weird. Okay, so yeah, I have to think of something. I had a 70D, it's a touchscreen, very good camera, but it's not full frame. Like, whenever I use it, it's so bad with low, high ISO, and it's really frustrating because I can't use my full frame lenses because it's going to look weird and everything else. So you know what I did? I went to the orange store. So for that, where is it? I'm gonna put on my orange glasses. Let's see what's inside. Can you see it? Okay, camera look down. There you go. So this is what I got. I'm the first one to get it from the store because my good friend there, Brad at DigiDirect, called me right away. He said he's gonna give me some freebies and everything else. I got it. Let's open it up. Actually, I just opened it up earlier because it wasn't closed. Open it in the store. It has the manual, of course. You're not gonna need a manual. It has the warranty claim for Australia and New Zealand. Need that. And inside you see the power plug. And then there's a big part here. The box is really big, like you can put a lot of things into it. And here it goes. Before I open this, I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to look deeper, and you see the charger is the same as the normal charger. The batteries, of course, it has the same batteries as the strap. Has the strap. I'll use the strap. If you want the strap, send me a message. I might send it to you. You might have, you want a name. If you're a collector, if you want the strap, just tell me. I might give it to you. Just tell me what. Impress me, and then I'll give it to you if I'm impressed. If you're just gonna say give it to me, then it's like, it's not gonna work. Impress me, I'm gonna give this to you. It's the same, but it eats a lot of power. Yeah, it eats a lot of, it chews through the batteries. So as I was filming earlier, it suddenly shut off. It didn't like me. It said, okay, you're talking a lot, man, I'm gonna turn it off. So I'm going to replace it with this 6D Mark II. Has the flip screen. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make this as my main travel camera. I'll try to make as many vlogs, videos as I can this month. I'm going to put gaffer tape everywhere here because I know this is going to be thrown everywhere. It's like my, see my 5D Mark III. Has all the gashes. It's been painted already, and you can see, like, yeah, it's been battered. This lens, this one here, has been through snow and sand and snow and sand. Yeah, this one here took the beating when I was in Stephens, I don't know, somewhere in Newcastle. I was there, and I was in the sand dunes. I placed there, and the next day this lens is with all the sand, but it's still good. This camera here was there also, and yeah, all the sand, it was covered in sand and shit and everything, and it's still good. It's still my main camera, still my favorite camera. I'm not letting this go, but this one's for video. So I'll try to risk and take photos with travel with this one. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. I have heaps of Instagram. You can follow me on my travel blog, which is Lakat Lang, or you can do my photography, model photography, or my wedding photography. So yeah. Oh, by the way, nobody has sent me a message regarding these straps here. So I'm just asking if you're interested. Send me a message. Impress me. What are you going to use with this strap? Why will I give you this strap? Once you do that, once I'm impressed, I'm going to send this to you. You might pay for the shipping or have somebody pick it up, or I don't know. I don't want to spend for shipping. I just want to give this away. So, yep. Hit me up.